What's going on? Welcome back to Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1974 Plymouth Duster. This one here has got a 318 up under the hood. Decent running and driving little car. Check out the test drive video. This car does need a few things, especially on this walk around. This is more of a project car. It does need some interior. The paint is a bit faded. The bumpers are faded. Dual exhaust out the back. The car runs pretty good. So we're gonna start up here in the front. Check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and shipping. We get ship them all over the country. All right, starting up here in the front, you can see it does need a new front and rear bumper. This one's got a big dent in it, and the chrome's gone. The grille is not in bad shape though. Still looks pretty good. Looking down the side, the car seems fairly straight. You can tell it's been painted a long time. There's a dent above the marker light here. Tires aren't in the greatest shape either. Set of Cragar wheels. Got some rust popping up around the rims. Little chip here on the door. The hood is a flat black, and it's got some paint cracking up around the scoop. Trim around the car is a little scuffed up. See on the inside there, we'll try to zoom in. Got some spots popping up back here. Little scratch in the middle of the door. Got some bubbles popping up down on the bottoms of the door. A few bubbles popping up on this back fender here. Went ahead and popped the trunk so I'm not flipping the camera around. Trunk lid's in good shape. The trunk itself is in pretty good shape. It's not all rusted out. Fairly solid. Weather stripping needs to be replaced, probably all the way around this car. It's pretty hard. Go ahead and shut the trunk lid down. Magnet tag on the back. Dual exhaust. Rear bumper needs to be replaced as well. Leave that on there for now. Got some chips around the trunk lid. It lines up well. Marker light's got a crack in it. Chip in the paint there. Bubble in the paint right here popping up in the line. Chip in the door. Checking the bottoms of the doors. See a little bit of work's been done there at some point in time. Chips in the jambs. Paint coming up right here. All right. See, somebody's added a funny looking fuel filter there. I just want to know the guy that walked into AutoZone or wherever for this car said, man, that looked good on there. Because I'm not really sure. All right, let's go ahead and check the interior out on this one. I got a towel down because there's some tape on here and I didn't want it getting on my pants or anything. So it does need to be recovered. Both front seats. Door panel needs to be replaced as well. You can see. I told you this was a project car, guys. Weather stripping, it's not gone, but it needs to be replaced. Nice new weather stripping be all right. Checking the bottoms of the doors for y'all. Got some bubbles popping up. The carpet in here is surprisingly good. It looks nice. Seat belts are working, in working order. Back seat looks pretty good. It has one little hole right here, but majority of it is in good shape. Headliner, say the opposite. We need a new headliner in this one as well. The dash needs a dash pad. See, it's all cracked up. Go ahead, place your bet. See, you think the horn works on this one? We'll see about that. We do have the face of the radio in the office. Console here that's missing the lock. Go ahead and start her up. Gas gauge does work, temperature gauge does not. Speedometer didn't come up. It's showing 59,000 miles on the dash. Wipers, can't get them to cut on or work. It's gonna need that. And horn, no horn. Bit of puff coming out of the right exhaust back here. Seems to be idling down pretty low right now. Stay running there. Just trying to shut off. Idle's pretty low. Motor's quiet other than that exhaust leak on the passenger side. The belt was slipping a little bit there. Got an exhaust leak over here. It's a pretty good one. I think the jug is leaking a little bit of antifreeze on this one. That or the radiator. I seen a drip earlier in the video on the test drive. Just trying to cover everything for you. I don't want you to have any surprises when you get here. We're gonna do some undercarriage shots, start up in the front here, go all the way around the car. I do got detailed pictures on my website, so check that out. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching my videos. Check out the test drive if you're interested in this car. close to 100 detailed pictures on maplemotors.com. We got financing and shipping information on that website as well. Let's go ahead and shut this hood down and we'll conclude this video. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.